Hello, today in this video we're going to learn more about alternative approach and method. Let's start with the video. Number 1 says, total physical response. What is total physical response? It's a method of teaching language using physical movements. Some of their characteristics are focus on meaning and comprehension. Other could be the students can respond with a verbal way. It's not necessary to start to speaking a lot because with their movements they can understand easily. Another could be the teacher allowed students to use more the target language. This is a very good method so the students can learn more about when they are learning another language. Number 2, the silent way. The silent way it's a method of the teaching should be on silent as possible during the whole class, but the students should be encouraged to speak as much as they possible. In this method, the students need to start to speak as much as they can so the teacher can see if they are really learning or in what kind of mm, order or activities they have some mistakes. Number 3, it says community language learning. Community language learning it's the way to combine learning tasks and activities with more traditional ones. In this one, the students can start learning with new activities that could be better for them or sometimes easily, but they also need to have a traditional one so they can be in the way to start learning in a better way. Number 4, Suggestipedia. Suggestipedia is for the students to feel more comfortable when they are responding something that the teacher is saying. So in this one, students can start to discovering more about them. So they can start working with their mind, using a lot of their brains, and start to learning another skills about that they didn't know that they had. Number 5, whole whole language. Whole language it's everything that the students learn and also the teacher. This is really important because when we know the whole language, it's because we already know how to pronounce, how to speak, um, how to use the correct um, letters, the correct pronunciation. This is really important because with this, um, we as a teachers and also the students can start to see and can start to learn um, new things and also they can see in which areas they have some problems. This is a really good approach because we as a teachers can learn a lot from the students according to the classroom environment. Number 6, multiple intelligence. What are multiple intelligence? They are divided by different categories. This is the way in which learners are unique to develop their own learning. Each student have their own abilities. This is very interesting because in each one of our students, each one of them have different intelligences. So when we are giving a class, we need to be focused in all the intelligences to see to to see if the students are learning and also to give the to give the ability to they can learn with their own intelligence, or also they can start to discover what kind of intelligences they have and which ones they are good or and others in they need some help. Number 7, neurological programming. Neurological programming is not a method, it's an approach. In this one is the way we use sense to create and understand our experiences of students. This one is really useful because with this we can start like saving all our knowledge according to what we saw in all our classes. This one also help us to mm, catch catch the new information that it's relevant for us. It can start on our mind, and also this can start to start practicing the language, to be focused and what we are um, seeing in all this, and also it's really good. Number 8, the lexical approach. This approach is referred to the brief that the building blocks of learning language is combined to a grammar. This approach is for the students to start learning or to start practicing the correct structure of the grammar. They also be aware of what kind of um, errors they have. This one it's really good for them because they can start looking what kind of errors they have, and also they can start correcting them. Last but not least, number 9, competency-based language teaching. This competence is about the students to know how much they knowledge they have, and also to know um, in where they are applying their own knowledge, what kind of techniques they are using, and to know if this um, it's good for them or if they need extra help. This is everything for me. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learn more about it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Thank you.